just start to push up underneath my skin. Haters gonna hate, but this is just the way I am. Try to come against me, all you gotta say is win. Better not forget you're standing in the lion's den.
Good evening. Breaking from the northeast of Italy near the Slovenian border, the cast of the short film that's on Monday has just arrived. They're being escorted as we speak and will join their viewers tonight for a press conference and a private party.
I can't be stopped.